Welcome to GridDuel, a polished tic-tac-toe game built for quick matches, local score tracking, and simple strategy play in the browser. It supports player versus CPU mode as well as two-player mode with a responsive board, round history, and a small strategy guide. We begin on the main GridDuel screen. The header shows the brand on the left, navigation tabs for game, history, and guide in the middle, and a theme toggle on the right. The splash screen gives the game a short board-ready opening before the match area appears. Now we are on the game view. The settings panel on the left lets the user choose between playing against the CPU or playing against another person. The new round button resets the board for a fresh match, and the reset scores button clears the score totals and the round history. In the arena panel, the 9-cell board is the main play area. The status text below it tells the user whose turn it is and what to do next, so the game stays easy to follow even during a fast round. When a player clicks a square, the mark appears immediately. If the game is in CPU mode, the computer responds after a short pause using its best move logic. That logic tries to win when it can, block when it needs to, and otherwise choose a strong open square. Once a line of 3 is completed, the game ends and the winning line is highlighted. If the board fills without a winner, the app records a draw. The scorecards update right away, showing X wins, O wins, draws, and current turn state. Next, we move to the history view. This section records recent completed rounds locally on the device, so the user can review how the match played out over time. It keeps a lightweight record of wins and draws without leaving the browser. Then we move to the guide view. This section explains the basic strategy behind the game, reminding the user to take the center when possible, block 2 in a row threats, and use the CPU's predictable logic to their advantage. What makes GridDuel work well is that it stays true to the classic game while still adding polish. The board feels responsive, the score tracking is clear, and the CPU mode gives the player a real challenge without complicating the interface. And that's GridDuel, a responsive tic-tac-toe game with CPU play, two-player mode, score tracking, round history, and a simple strategy guide.